Good morning children, welcome to our class. So see, today's your work is English workbook. You take out these books from your books, all of you. English workbook page number 2, English practice page number 1 and page number 1 only, English worksheet page number 1A and 1B, English course book page number 4. You have to take out these books, take your pencil and eraser in your hand and open the one by one book and complete the work today. So children, first take out English workbook. In this workbook, we have completed page number 1 and now open page number 2 for today's work. First write today's date here, put today's date. In the last page, we have learned the letters from capital A small a to capital L small l. So from this page, we will start with capital M. So join the dots neatly, very carefully, slowly you have to join the alphabets with the dots and say capital M, small m. Okay? While writing, you have to read out capital M and small m. Next, capital N, small n. Capital O, small o. Capital P, small p. Capital Q, small q. Capital R, small r. Like this you have to join the dots and write the alphabets very neatly and learn the all the letters from in the page number 1 and 2 also. Okay, after completing this page number 2 in this book, close this workbook and open English practice book. You open English practice book. See in page number 1. We have learned already from capital A to capital Z. These are called uppercase letters also. So here in the lines, how to write in the lines we have given already. Seeing the lines, following the lines, in which lines you have to write. You have to write all the one time you have to write all the letters. So leave this line, leave from A, from this after Z, next line you start writing capital A like this very neatly. From red line to second blue line, capital A, capital B, capital C, capital D, capital E, capital F, capital G, capital H, capital I, capital J. Like this you have to complete all the letters. See here, see above the letters how in which line they have written and follow the lines, and same thing you have to copy here one time. Page number 1. You have to put today's date here and start writing the, seeing the letters, see, write down, saying, and while writing you have to read the letters also. Only one time you have to write in this book. After writing these alphabets, close this book. Next, you take out worksheet, English worksheet, this book, and you can write your name and you can put today's date here. We have learned the capital letters. Okay, so with the capital letters you have to see the picture and fill the box. So first one, see, 3 letter words are given here. 3 letter words are given here. Already we have learned the alphabets. So which word, which picture this is? What is in the picture? Cat. What is the spelling of the cat? C-A-T. So here C not given. So you have to fill this box with the letter C. Page number 1A. Here 1A worksheet given. No? This open and fill the box. 3 letter words these are. Next picture, box. OX given, B not given. So you have to write the box B. Next picture, pen. What is the spelling of pen? P-E-N. Last third letter not given here. So you have to complete the third letter. With the capital letters only write, children. And next, a tub. T-U-B. Tub. A-N-T. Ant. So you have to complete the pictures, the box which are missing letters, you have to complete it. Again once we will read C-A-T, cat, a cat. B-O-X, box, a box. P-E-N, pen, a pen. T-U-B, tub, a tub. A-N-T, ant, a ant. So like this you have to read these pictures and fill the boxes with the missing letters. Next, open the page 1B. You have to complete in this worksheet 1A and 1B. Here also same thing, 3-letter words. Write the missing letter, which is a so what is this picture? Bag. So only the second letter given, first letter not given, third letter not given. What is the spelling of the bag? B-A-G, bag. B-A-G, bag. Next picture what? Hut. H-U-T, hut. In this page only middle letter is given, first and last letter is not given. So fill the missing letters. Next picture, hen. H-E-N, hen. Next, zip. Z-I-P, zip. Next, fox. F-O-X, fox. So in this page also write today's date and start writing the missing letters. So today we have learned the missing letters, 3-letter words. B-A-G, bag, a bag. H-U-T, hut, a hut. H-E-N, hen, a hen. Z-I-P, zip, a zip. F-O-X, fox, a fox. So these missing letters you have to write and you have to learn the spellings of the words. You can practice in your English book also, notes also. After completing this in worksheet 1A and 1B, this completed, you learn the 3-letter words. And next, open English course book. English course book, this open and page number 4. Page number 4. Already in page number 3 we have connected the dots from capital A to small letters, capital letters to small letters. Same thing we have to do in this page number 4 also. So here capital letters are given in left side and small letters are given in your right side. So you have to first trace the letters. First what you do, you trace the letters, say and write capital H, small h. Then after writing, connecting the dots from capital H to small h, you have to join capital H, small h. Then again you trace on capital I, small I. Then you have to join capital I to small I, like this. Like this all letters you have to trace and join them in page number 4. Only one page in this page in this book, in English course book you have to do. So you have to write all the, you have to complete all the today's work. 4 books I have given your work. Okay children, bye, thank you.